The accounts payable invoice process is one of the most labor-intensive processes in all of finance and accounting. It's something that typically involves manual input of data from invoices into an accounts payable system, an AP system. There are a number of ways we can leverage intelligent automation throughout accounts payable. For example, the cost to process an invoice, the percentage of supplier discounts, and the number of invoices processed per person. So let's start with our supplier, Natalia. She starts by attaching PDF invoices to an email and sends it into our accounting department. Our accountant, Bria, uses SAP. And with Automation Copilot, in this case powered by Amazon Bedrock's generative AI model, she detects the PDFs as invoices and forwards them onto the accounts payable system. Document Automation reads the information on the invoices and auto-populates the AP system, checking in with Bria if any fields need to be validated. Now let's switch to Tomas, who handles approvals in the accounts payable department. Here we see that Automation Copilot, powered by Amazon Bedrock, has found some incorrect details in a line item and suggests a fix. Once everything is approved and validated, an automation will create the new supplier invoice directly in SAP, filling every field out quickly and without errors. Our line of business leader, Barbara, uses COE Manager to monitor the automations throughout the entire organization, including the accounts payable one we just saw. In her dashboard, she can see the current benefits realized and even check in on the expected benefits over the year. This helps her make the best possible decisions to efficiently scale her automations. Accounts payable is just one more way to improve your business workflow with the Automation Success Platform, powered by Amazon Bedrock's generative AI model. Learn more at automationanywhere.com.